Welcome back. In this lecture, I'm going to show you the simplest way to add font to Capcut PC. So you're going to be learning how to add good font to Capcut PC if the font you want to use is not in Capcut. The first step you want to do is to go over to your browser and use site like dafont.com. For instance, you want this skin care font, you can just hit download. It's a free font, I say 100% free. It's going to download. Okay, this is the first step. Once it's done downloading, you want to click on it and install it. Right, so let's go to the folder where it's in, and then we want to open it. Double click. All right, we want to double click. Just open it like that. So this is the font. You want to click on it and install it. You see where I said install, you install it. Remember the name of the font, you close that out. You have another version, open it, double tap, click to install. You already have it, so it says yes, just in case. Right, so now that we have the font, we can now go into, remember the name of this font is Skin Care, right? We can now go into Capcut. For instance, let's bring in default text again to display head, and let's for instance put like and follow. Okay, so now we have like and follow. We can now go to font. It says system. You can then just choose different font. You can click on it and you have these different fonts you can choose from, and we can scroll down. Okay, we can just scroll down to find the font we just downloaded. Sometimes you might not see it and you need to close. Okay, you need to close and open again for you to see it. But the only downside to this, and which I wish was possible, was being able to just search the particular font. Okay, so you see where it says system font. Let's just find it, skincare, right? So we'll just go to S and just find it there. It should be under S. I don't want this video to be too long for you guys, so that's why I'm trying to just make it short, but at the same time make it as educative as possible, so that I don't miss out any step and you guys get confused along the way. That is not what I want. That is not what I want at all. So I want to be able to do it for you guys. Okay, we should be close. Skincare. Okay, it should be around here. You should be able to find it. I'm just going to pause and come back to it so that I don't waste your time. So we are back again, and I had to restart the Capcut PC app to ensure I get the font. So I'm just going to find the font. So we're just going to scroll down to system fonts. Remember we saved it, so it's going to be added to our system font now. And we'll just go to S. Since we're looking for skincare, that's the name of the font. We're going to scroll down to S and find it under S, skincare. So let's look for skincare. We are close. Stay with me, and you have it here, so we can use it now. Click on it, and now if we go over it, you see this is the text. As you can see, let me bring it down for you. You can see like and follow. Let's go back to the font to ensure it is the font we just downloaded. As you can see, skincare, skin cake. So this is the font we downloaded, and this is it right here. So we can use this now for any of our edits. We can animate it if we want, just do some quick animations on it and get it to work for us. Okay, just loop it if we want to loop, and just do some creative things with it, make it fun, and just, you know, just stay creative with your edits. As you can see, like and follow. Alright, so if we play it from here, this is what we get now.
Community that fosters.
Sorry, let's play it from here.
A community that fosters learning and
See,
excellence.
like and
Your
follow.
engagement matters together. We can make it.
See, it's simple, not complicated. That is how to add fonts to Capcut PC. I'll see you on the next class. Stay safe.